96.7 Destiny Radio, saya lang. Once again, it's Wednesday, July 9, 2025, people. 8:05 p.m. oras po natin sa buong kapuluan ng Pilipinas. 5 minuto na makalipas ang alas 8 ng gabi. Welcome back to BBC once again. This is Big Boys Chat with your one and only rapper DJ in the town. Ako po si Giro, that's capital G-I-R-O. What's up, people? We're still talking about the real deal, the real red flags of a man. Ito kasi ito yung sinasabi natin na kapag itong mga bagay na to, yung nakita natin, napuna natin sa mga lalaki, you run for it. It's actually also the things na minsan hindi natin binibigyan ng pansin just because masyado nang na-advertise yung mga red flags na meron ang mga lalaki ngayon na yun na lang. Doon na lang sila nakatutok, not knowing that there are deeper red flags out there of a man that we should be looking after for. Diba? Pinag-usapan natin kanina yan. And right now, syempre hindi rin mas okay din kung meron tayong mapapagtanungan. Ano nga bang red flags para sa kanila? And lucky us, we have a caller once again. We have another caller. Oh, gabi-gabi na natin itong ginagawa eh. And lucky us, once again, we have a caller. So, tara, tawagan na natin siya. Hello? Hi?
Hello?
That's it. We can hear you. Hello. Welcome to BBC. This is once again Big Boys Chat. Hello?
Good evening. Hello.
Good evening. Yeah, we can hear you. Hello, what's your name?
Well, I am Liana Mishano.
Oh, hi there, Liana. Oh, you have a beautiful name, Liana. Liana, how old are you? Where do you live?
Well, I'm 19 and I live here in Lucena City.
Oh, Lucena. Oh, okay, taga Lucena din si Liana. Liana, what are you doing tonight? I'm glad you have a time for us para makausap ka namin.
Well, I'm resting and listening to your radio.
Oh, that's very good. Nakakatuwa naman. What do you do aside from you live in Lucena City? You're 19 years old at nagre-rest ka ngayon. What else do you do, Liana? What else do you do in life?
Well, I am a model, photographer, videographer of a team during the events and commercial marketing. Mm-hmm.
You have a lot of things that you've been doing. Oo. So, sobrang obvious nito. I mean, kahit di na natin sabihin, no? Parang a lot of men is eyeing for you in that sense. You're a model. You're always outside. I think you also have a lot of gigs since you do photography din. So, for sure, there's a lot of men eyeing for you. But, yeah, especially at you're 19, so sobrang active ka in this generation. And you know about the red flags of a man, for sure. But for sure, di ba? But if you could tell us something about these red flags, ano yung pinaka iniiwasan mo? What do you think is a major red flag of a man? Hindi yung mga baby red flags na madalas nating napapakinggan or na-advertise ngayon. If you could think of one, what is that?
Well, right. We're being surrounded of different red flags ngayon. This one really marks on me.
Okay.
A man who can control his feelings and get easily offended. Well, it is a red flag sa relationship, whether it is your partner, a friend, or a member of a family. Kasi for me, it shows the lack of emotional maturity.
Intelligence.
Maturity, intelligence. Kasi yung healthy communication, nagiging imposible na kapag nagiging offend na agad siya. Kaya for me, you should constantly have filter your words or avoid certain topic para makip natin yung peace in a relationship, in general relationship. Kasi over time, yung trauma na builds kasi mamimake na yung unsafe mo. Kasi in a relationship, you should feel safe.
So it's very important that the man should have emotional intelligence, or at the very least, he can control his emotions, just so you'll feel protected and safe beside of a man. Kahit hindi siya sa relationship no? Kahit sa family or sa friends, something like that.
Of course. Kaya yung emotional self-control is really essential Kaya, pag wala yun,
Red flag talaga, no?
Yung small issues, nagiging big problems. Tapos yung relationship nyo, nagiging drain na siya, nade-drain na siya. Imbes na nagiging support ka or nagiging safe, nafe-feel niya yung safe sa'yo. Kasi you have a shoulder to lean on.
Ano nangyayari? Wala siya nun. Wala kang gano'n. Wala kang nagiging gano'n. Was it something that you've already experienced? Okay. I think Liana don't want to answer that. But that's very true. I get the sense. Kasi ganito namin palaging pinapaliwanag dito. A lady should be the flower and the man should be the rock and they should be complementing themselves. Now if ever ang nangyari si rock, nagpapaka-flower siya, hindi sila magkakaroon ng connection. And at the same time, mas hindi magkakaroon ng right direction yung samahan. Right?
Kasi pag nasira na yung foundation, masisira na lahat.
So for you, it's really very important for a man to have emotional control.
It is a must.
It's a must, right? So kapag wala siya nun, it's a major red flag.
It is a major red flag.
That's true. Go on.
Hold yung hindi niya na-hold yung space ng emotions mo. Tapos, feel mo na hindi ka na na-heard. Tapos, ayun.
That's true. Well, thank you very much for that, Liana. So, mga big boys na nakikinig ngayon, that it's something to learn from what Liana have explained. Totoo yan. You need to have the emotional strength or emotional intelligence nga in a certain level for you to take care of your woman or for you to take care of somebody in your circle, right?
Yes, that is right.
So we've learned one of a major red flag from Liana, from our caller. Maraming salamat, Liana, for giving us this very quick time but a very fruitful one. Thank you very much.
So much.
Thank you very much. Do you have somebody to greet bago tayo mag-say goodbye?
Well, I have to greet my mom and my dad that is listening to us tonight.
Mommy and daddy, hello po. Magandang gabi. Who else?
And to my friends and to my team, KJ team, what's up?
Is this your photography team?
Yes, my photography team.
Shout out to you guys. Sana nanonood sila, ma'am.
Yes.
All right. Who else?
Well, that's it.
That's it. Maraming salamat, Liana. We've learned a lot from you from this quick moment. Maraming salamat. Enjoy the night and keep tuning in to 96.7 Destiny Radio. Thank you very much, Liana.
Thank you.
Stay safe. And look after those red flags, right? Stay away from those red flags.
Yes.
All right. Thank you very much, Liana. We appreciate you. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. That's it, guys. That's what we're talking about. Those kinds of things. Kumbaga, sobrang importante na sobrang agreeable ng sinasabi ni Liana. Kagaya nung na-explain natin. It's very important for a man to have emotional control. Diba? Yun din yung sinabi ni Robert Greene, yung na-topic natin last time. According to Robert Greene, we shouldn't be so much complicating masculinity. But that number one rule is that you need to have the self-control to have that masculine trait. It starts with there. Totoo yun Kumbaga, kung sa isang relasyon, kagaya ng sinasabi ni Liana, if ang lalaki is emotional din. Kasi ganito yung nangyari. Naturally and biologically, a woman is emotional. Diba? Naturally and biologically, a woman is emotional. So, in a sense, kailangan niya ng partner that is rocking it at the same time. Doon talaga tayo na-expect yung mga boys to have that emotional intelligence, to have a rock hard emotions in the sense na kaya niyang i-deal with yung emotional crisis na nangyayari sa isang relasyon or sa isang pangyayari. Diba? So guys, and especially the big boys out there, you make sure that you have that kind of trait. You make sure that you can control your emotions. Kasi sobrang kailangan mo yan. Lalong-lalo na kapag bumubuo ka na ng pamilya o kapag you're starting a relationship, diba? Those are something that is gonna be vital in your relationship. And at the same time, if you don't have that, once again, that's a major red flag according to our caller. It's a red flag and I totally agree with that. Ayos, big boys. Ayan, natutunan naman tayo. Meron na naman tayong natutunan, no? Si Tito Boy sa Bahagi Technical, tuwan-tuwa na naman, no? Tito Boy, nakatip ka na naman. Nakatip ka na naman sa Big Boys chat. Oh, for sure, I would really love for everybody who's listening right now to learn from that talk. Something to look after. Especially yung iba pa nating nabanggit, yung mga red flags na yun. Iwasan natin yun. Especially if we wanna be a big boy, diba? It's now 8:15 p.m. Oras po natin sa buong kapuluan ng Pilipinas. Ako po si Giro, your one and only rapper DJ in the town. Kami ang 96.7 Destiny Radio. I'll be saying goodbye for today's episode. Kita-kits ulit tayo bukas, alas 7 hanggang alas 8 ng gabi. But before leaving, people, I'm gonna give you a beautiful song. This is Earl Agustin with a track, Tibok. Enjoy the night, enjoy the music. Deuces.